competition of SEAGIC 2020. Let us welcome our Chair of SEAGIC 2020, Dr. Siti Nur Azila Zaini, to announce the winners. Please welcome.
Okay, for the poster competition, the third place goes to Alif Solihin from Indonesia. Congratulations. Second place goes to Ayu Moralisa from Indonesia. And the winner for poster competition goes to Aulia Rahman, also from Indonesia. Congratulations to all the poster competition winners. So for pitching competition prize, fifth place goes to the project titled Next Generation Carbon Capture and Storage, Chemical Looping with Oxygen Uncoupling, A026, Universiti Sains Malaysia. Fourth place goes to project Artificial Vertical Algae Forest Carbon Capture and Marine Ecosystem Restoration, A052, Universitas Aisyiyah, Yogyakarta. Third place goes to the project title CO2 into electrical energy using an electrochemical method, E002, Universiti Sains Malaysia. Second place goes to the project title CO2 Utilization in E033, Swinburne University of Teknologi Sarawak campus. And the winner goes to the reduction of CO2 using Algolight, Universiti Teknologi Malaysia. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the winners, and it is with a great pleasure that I now shall invite the first prize winner to give a congratulatory speech. Please welcome the representative of the group SG20A042 for your speech. Please welcome.
Good evening to organizer, fellow judges, and all the participants. First of all, we'd like to thank the organizer for organizing this awesome competition. And actually, we don't have nothing much to say, just that we are very impressed by all the inventions proposed by all the participants. And we really do hope that we can see all these inventions to become, to realize in the future. So once again, thank you all and wish you all the best. Thank you.
All right, huge congratulations to all the winners. And as per se by Dr. Muhammad Firdaus earlier today, the chair of ACS Malaysia chapter, he said that whoever have win, you all have played your role in promoting chemistry in battling the climate change. We are proud to see the young scientists and are contributing to society through their research for the betterment of the society and advancement of the Southeast Asia as a whole.